The story as to how thoughts travel almost like electricity from one place to another, influencing and inspiring peoples of far flung lands, is extremely interesting. Short stories of ancient India and our social and religious thoughts spread in far off territories, crossing many seas and scaling many a high mountain peak. Stop in the same way the Buddhist faith and thought and the Buddhist conception of art traveled to foreign lands at a time when, comparatively speaking, the means of communication were more or less non existent. Stop persistent efforts of devout thinkers and scholars gave wing to those thoughts, and like saplings planted them in other countries where they blossoms and bore fruit. Stop in all these countries Buddhist thought and traditions were assimilated in and influenced by local thought. Stop stanza. It has been the effort of the International Academy of India Indian culture to present all those currents of thought in a readily assimilable and integrated form. So it is gratifying to note that in its efforts the Academy has met with considerable success, as a result of which it is going to launch its publication program, making a beginning with this. Stop. This book is a collective record and integrated view of the many currents of thoughts that crossed each other throughout vast territories in the Himalayan fastnesses of Tibet and from the Pacific islands of Indonesia up to the snow covered areas in Siberia and Central Asia. Stop India thought had influenced all this vast area in ancient times. Stop. I hope the publication of this will throw much light on the undetermined history of these ancient countries and the exchange of thought that one took place among them. Stop. I am glad that the International Academy of Indian Culture has planned the publication of such a monumental work. Stop stanza. All this information about the ancient history of Eastern countries and their mutual relationship is coming to us at a time when there is an upsurge of awakening discernible in them. Stop. This knowledge is therefore of particular importance to us. Stop. Not only the countries of Asia but all the nations of the world are getting closer to one another, and all of them feel that the world can be saved from destructive wars by strengthening mutual ties of goodwill and friendship. Stop. Our knowledge of the relations which subsisted among the various countries in ancient times is bound to lend strength to the basis of international friendship. Stop. Let us hope that the publication of this and also the new awakening will inspire a sense of intellectual. Stop. Over.